Hello, my name is Andrew. I'm going to talk to you guys today about the process of forming a nonprofit organization and applying for tax exempt status. The first step in this process is to apply to the state to legally form the organization, and you do that by filing incorporation paperwork at the state level. Once the organization has legally been formed, you can then move ahead with applying to the IRS to get the organization recognized as a tax exempt entity. In order to do this, you'll need to file a request for tax exemption, which is going to be Form 1023 for organizations that are applying under Section 501c3 of the Internal Revenue Code, or Form 1024 for organizations applying under any other section of the code. Along with this application form, you will need to include a detailed written description of the programs and activities that the organization will be offering, as well as a 3-year financial projection. Along with the application form itself, the IRS asks that you include a copy of the Articles of Incorporation with proof of state filing, bylaws, and a conflict of interest policy. The process with applying to the IRS for exempt status can take anywhere from 4 to 6 months. But once that tax exempt status has been granted, the IRS will backdate the tax exempt privileges to the date of incorporation with the state. So anything from that date forward would be covered under the tax exempt status. Once the tax exempt status has been granted by the IRS, the organization can then move forward with applying to the state for state tax exemption and charity registration. The rules and regulations on those forms will vary from state to state and based on the programs and services that the organization is offering. So check with your local authorities or consult a professional to see exactly what forms need to be done there. Other than that, keep up with your annual filings from year to year, and the organization will remain in good standing as long as you are operational.